Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. I am Rifat Badhon and I'm the only member of my group. I'll talk about the DOS vulnerability in the ArchiSteam Farm application. We will briefly look at what Steam and ArchiSteam Farm is and how they're connected to grasp the overall idea, and we will look at the DOS attack and how it has been patched. Lastly, we will look at a couple of workarounds with the application without the patch, but this is not recommended with the workaround. Steam is a video game digital distribution service by Valve, and it's a cloud-based gaming library. And its most popular features is the ability for users to use any computer to play the game they buy or download to their Steam account. And it allows users to store a large collection of games without using too much computer memory. In this platform, you can buy, sell, and store games, plus do tons of other stuff like trade items, interact with community, etc. If you play long enough using this platform, you will get item drops such as Steam cards and in-game accessories. And Steam supported platforms are the Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and iOS, also Android. And Steam is available in 28 languages. ArchiSteam Farm is a C# application with a primary purpose of farming Steam cards from multiple accounts simultaneously. So you don't have to be logged on to your Steam 24/7 to get the card drops. You can just leave the ArchiSteam Farm on and it will do the farming for you. So it does not require a Steam client running in the background, and some of its core features are automatic farming of available games with card drops using any number of active accounts, and it does not require any official Steam client installed, and it guarantees being VAC free and focuses on security and privacy. It has complex error reporting mechanism, reliability even during Steam issues and other networking queries, and offline farming, enabling you to skip in-game status and stop confusing your friends with fake playing status. It also has the advanced support for Steam accounts, including the ability to redeem keys, redeem gifts, accept trades, and also send message and many more. The denial of service vulnerability, it allows attacker to remotely crash running ASF instances through sending a specifically crafted Steam chat message, and the user sending the message does not need to be authorized within the bot or the ASF process. One good thing is that other message channels are not affected, and uh, to be successful in this attack, the attacker needs to know the ASF's command prefix in advance, and this is impossible to achieve without prior brute force attempts. And this attack does not allow the attacker to gain any potentially sensitive information, such as logins or passwords, and it does not allow to execute arbitrary commands and otherwise exploit the crash any further. And it's only crash of the DDoS, and it does not have any further implications, and therefore the severity level is moderate, having a CVSS score of 6.5. In this patch, changes were made only in two files, so the bot.cs file and the command.cs file. This is the bot.cs file, and nothing was deleted from here. Only the highlighted section in green was added to the file for an overall hardening of the application. So the first highlighted green section suggests that if any chat group or chat ID or Steam ID sender sends any null messages, it will invoke an error. Similarly, the second highlighted section suggests if a friend sends null messages, it will invoke an error message and nothing serious will happen. This is this is the command.cs file, and we can see 2 lines of code marked in red was deleted, and because of this code, adversary was able to use the DOS attack. So before the change, whenever an attacker sent a message with the command prefix text, a command was invoked and the ASF application crashed. When the in the changes, we can see in the green highlighted sections. So after the change, even if adversary use the command prefix text in their chat, no commands will be invoked and the ASF application will not crash. And the changes in the files solved the problem. Without the patch, the only workaround which guarantees complete protection is running all the bots with online status of 0. So basically it means running the instances in offline mode, and what this does is it ignores even the specifically crafted message without attempting to interpret it. And the other way is to attempt to mitigate the problem by ensuring that users can't send the message to ASF bots through the Steam platform. And this removes the attack vector, but due to the internals of Steam platform, and since Archie Steam Farm does not have any access to these Steam codes, it's impossible to achieve that entirely, and therefore does not guarantee absolute protection. And these are the references from GitHub and for Steam. I hope you liked it. Thank you.